Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So do you want to control how far buyers can see your listings or how far you search for items? Facebook Marketplace allows you to adjust your location radius in just a few taps. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to set location radius on Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, what setting location radius means. So changing your location radius allows you to see items within a chosen distance, expand your buying options, focus on local deals, and control travel distance. So it adjusts what you see, not always how far your item appears. Okay, so first thing first, open the Facebook application, tap the marketplace icon here. Okay, on desktop, click marketplace from the left sidebar. So now at the top of the marketplace, tap location. Okay, so as you can see, for example, tap this. Okay, you can type a new city if needed. Okay, so use the distance slider. So choose your preferred radius. For example 10 kilometers. 10, 50, 100. So slide left or nearby results. Slide right to expand area. Larger radius equals more results. Okay, so then tap apply or save. Return to search results, and listings now reflect your selected radius. Okay, so refresh page if results don't update immediately. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.